Okay, so once again, in word problems, we're looking for keywords. Okay, I look at the last part of the word problem to see what I'm asking for. So writing the function. So writing the function really just means write the equation. Okay, so we're trying to write an equation. And what kind of information are they giving us? They're giving us the initial weight is 3.5 pounds. As water is added to the container, the weight increases at a rate of 0.2 pounds per minute. So when we're looking at these two things, I do want to remind you that some of these words mean certain things. So for instance, when we see the word initial, that means that it's talking about your y-intercept. And remember, in the formula, y-intercept is the b value. Okay? When we see rate, or we see the word per, that means we're talking about the slope. Okay? And in the equation, your slope is your m value. And in this one, notice that instead of y and x, it gives you f of t and t. So instead of writing it y equals mx plus b, instead of y, you're going to use f of t. And then instead of tx, you're going to use the letter t. So now all you need to do is replace the m and the b with the values that you found in the equation, in the word problem. Okay, so think about that. When you see words like increases or added, that tells us that it's going to be positive and not negative. Okay, so go ahead and give it a shot. Try and write this equation again and see what you get this time.